Okay, I think we're recording now. That's really great. Alright guys, so, a little late with this video. That's my fault. My inability to use certain computer systems kept me from getting this out over the weekend, but I think we have everything on track now. So, what's new for this cycle is we're going to run, excuse me, a little sick, everything on a 6-day split. Right, so you can see that there, 6-day split. The way this works is basically we're taking 6 days of continuous programming. So day 1, day 2, day 3 is down here, so on and so forth. And then we're going to lay that over the normal Monday through Friday week. Okay, so Saturdays will stay the same as a partner or team style workout. And then the 6-day split gets laid in. So the first 5 days will fall on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of this week. And then next week, day 6 will fall. Day 6 here will fall on Monday, right? And then Tuesday starts the second split of 6 straight days of programming. All right, so what does that mean? Well, what this allows is for us to keep a structure to the cycle in terms of hitting continual strength work, continuous certain conditioning efforts throughout the cycle regularly with some progression, but mixing it up in terms of the days in which they fall on, right? So this is great for everybody, coaches, members. You'll get a different thing every day. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go through this week's programming. I'm not going to really dive into any of the notes here for what the coaches get, but we're going to look at each day and kind of talk about a couple key parts. Okay, so performance and fitness are both doing a close grip bench press. That will be somewhere around 14 inches or where the knurl on the bar starts. That's the best place to look at first. What we're looking for as coaches is at the bottom of the lift. So when the bar is at the sternum, the forearm is vertical. So wrist stacked over top of the elbow. Okay. 4 sets of 3 to 5 for both fitness and performance. So you want to find a weight that's tough between those rep ranges of 3 to 5. If you hit 5 reps on your first set, go heavier for your next set. Again, trying to fall within that 3 to 5 rep range. Okay. Using control here with the tempo, no actual slow tempo, just that is a standard control tempo that I usually write for people. And then 2 minutes in between those working sets. All right, you guys that have probably already done the Monday classes, sorry for the late explanation, but yeah, you're going to do 5 sets. Okay, it's a 4-minute AMRAP and then followed by a minute rest. Okay, and this is the same format for the performance stuff as well. All right, really simple here: ball slams, box jumps, dumbbell push press, double unders or single unders. Okay, toes to bar, box jumps, push press, and double unders for performance. Okay, but the big thing, and we're going to roll this through this cycle, is switching the order every set. So one order, you do it like this: toes to bar, box jumps, bum, bum, bum. Next order, you maybe do push press, toes to bar, double under, box jumps, right? You're not just switching your starting space, you're actually switching your starting exercise. You're starting in a different spot as well as with a different order, okay? Reps stay the same, just the order changes. Right, this should be pretty fucking awful and awesome at the same time. All right, cool. Tuesday this week, we're going to have a real long duration aerobic piece. Okay, truly long duration. This entire thing, this is fitness and performance, should take 50 minutes. Okay, there's obvious rest dialed in here. I got a couple 5-minute rests in between these segments. But the first and the last segment can be mixed up. So if there's a bigger class, half can start on the rower, half can start on the bike, and then just switch. Whichever one you did first, you switch for the last part. Okay, pretty simple here. This whole day is going to be about self-regulating pace. All right, so we start cyclical work with the bike, a minute at about a 50% pace, and then the next minute you break it into 30, 20, 10 at an increasing rate. Okay. Now, as we get into this middle part, we're actually doing some mixed modal work, right? So burpees, all right, into a step back burpee. This is a way to automatically slow your output down. All right, it's going to slow the rate of burpees that you're turning over. That's fine. Okay, front plank, dumbbell snatches. Now here, where we go from 90 to 80, okay, all that means is slow down. You keep moving, just go slower. Same weight, all right, same tough weight for both this 30-second part and the 60-second part. You're just slowing down, okay, and then box step-ups here at the end. Boom, and then this last part, same thing as the beginning. You just go from bike to rower or from rower to bike, okay. Pretty sweet. All right, Wednesday, gymnastics skill work, okay, single leg strength work, and then some aerobic power tester, a nice max aerobic power tester here. So we have kipping knees to elbow work for fitness. We have switch grip toes to bar work for performance. Okay, some good technique stuff for those guys that are a little bit newer to the gym. This will be great to just kind of start to learn that kip, really getting what looks like eventually to a toes to bar rather than that weird swinging, what I call the monkey swing, where you just arch your back and then flip your toes up and try to get them up there. Okay. Switch grip comes in real handy if you think back to the Open last year with the toes to bar toes to bar squat clean workout. With my fat ass up there, my grip went real quick, and those switch grip toes to bar actually came in real handy. So switch grip, think just like a switch grip deadlift. Okay. And we'll break these up into singles, right? So the idea there is think if you're already fatigued, where you're up on the bar, kip, boom, toes to bar, drop, shake your hands out, boom, back up there. So you do 3 of those times 5, okay? RFESS, that's rear foot elevated split squat, okay? Fitness is going to do these with dumbbells. Performance, and I didn't put this in here, unfortunately, but I should have. This will be a barbell out of the rack in the front rack. Okay, I think it's up here in the notes for the coaches. Right there. Okay, but front rack barbell, those can come out of the rack. Performance will do it on the bench. Fitness can do it on stacked plates, 45-pound plates, or the bench, whatever works there. Okay, and then just a nice little tester. 21 down to 3, wall balls and push-ups. Everybody's doing the same thing here, 15-minute cap. Okay. Thursday, got an upper body push and pull superset, trying to get a pump in. It's going to be beach season soon. All right, and then a classic chipper. All right, you guys asked for it. You're going to get it. Shout out to Jason Cook. Right, here you go, buddy. More, you got it. So superset. We got single arm dumbbell row, double kettlebell push press. Okay, so you do a set of rows, boom, each side, rest 90 seconds, and then double kettlebell push press, boom. Okay, so back and forth, 3 total each exercise, back and forth there, all right? And then it's just a long chipper, 4-time, 20-minute cap. Okay, so you start at the top of the list, just work your way down. All right, boom, boom, boom. Super sweet, super tangy, real tangy. Say hi, Steffi.
Hi.
All right, Friday, we got some Olympic lifting work. So we got some complexes here, every minute on the minute for 12, right? It's a snatch pull, hang snatch pull into a hang power snatch for fitness. Performance, you're just doing a squat variation on the end. Okay, this is not a high pull, right? It's not a high pull. Snatch pull means the bar will stay at the hip, elbows stay locked out. So you're getting tall with the bar, but you're not breaking at the elbow to pull the bar high. Bar stays at the hip, okay? We'll increase the weight every 4 minutes on that, starting somewhere around 50% of a 1-rep max. You fitness guys, if you're not sure what that is, just increase the weight every 4 sets, but keep it light enough that we're not missing, okay? Not missing any reps. Part B here is a 7-minute AMRAP. All right, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 set of touch and go power snatches at a tough weight for fitness. Performance, same setup, only squat snatches at about 70% of your 1-rep max. Once you clear the set of 4, you go back to 1, all right? And that's just 7 minutes there. Finishing then with some postural endurance and loaded carry work. So plank on low rings, dumbbell waiter's walk for the fitness guys there, okay? And then Performance, you're doing a low ring arm extension and a dumbbell waiter's walk. All right. Coaches can show you that. This is a little bit more of an advanced gymnastics exercise. So some people that normally do performance might struggle with this a little bit. But we have some fun things coming this cycle with this piece here. Okay. I actually think I have. Yeah. Let's click on this and see what happens here. Whoop. Alright, we'll let this video load real quick. This is actually one of my favorite exercises that Colborne used to program for me. Boom, right? So notice the arm stays packed in, alright? You don't have to do the push-up in between. You can just go side to side if you want. Alright, but arm stays in, and then you're just extending one out. Pretty excellent exercise there. Go back to here. All right, cool. Where were we? Beep, 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 beep. Saturday, partner workout. Pretty awesome here. Teams of 2, 30, 24, 18, 12, 6 of bite calories, overhead squats, and burpees over the bar. All right, and then this cash out thing, which I really hate personally, but I guess it does work for Saturdays pretty well. 30 hollow rocks, and then 4 minutes of side plank, 2 per side. Beach season soon, guys. Beach season soon. So get your shit right in the kitchen, and let's do some abs. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of the lowdown for this week. We'll make this video probably a little bit more crafty next week, but that'll work.